Okay, so we built a few rounds of our shape. And first of all, was our prediction about how it continued correct?
Yes, it was.
Okay. So can you show me the sequence of integers that we have here?
It was 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No wait, that's 7. 7 and 9, and the one I'm sitting in 12.
And this is 16.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the only thing I want to quibble with is it does start 1, 1, 1, but where's the first one?
It's right
Here.
No, it's here. 1, 2, in the spiral. Then go in the spiral.
Okay. So do you see the spiral now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you see the way you predicted it would continue from adding the triangles together? So what was your initial hypothesis?
Well, you take the one that's second back and the one that's third back from your new number.
Okay. So go to the triangle that has 5 on its side.
So here.
Okay. So what's second back from that?
So second back is 3,
Uh-huh.
and third back is 2. 2 plus 3, 5.
Okay. Cool. Now, I'm going to ask your brother to look at that triangle that has 5 in it and see if you see any other continuation rule rather than go back 2 and go back 3 to make your triangle. You see a different way you could describe the rule.
So you could also make it by. Well, we also have this side as a 1 and a 4.
Ah, it's a 1 and a 4. So how far do you have to go back for that rule?
So let's see, you go 1 back here, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 back.
Okay, so you can also go you can also say the rule might be go back 1 plus go back, what'd you say, 5?
5. And then for this triangle, the 7 one, go back 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It still works.
Ah, okay. So
I think this rule continues.
okay, so do you think both rules continue?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Why?
Well, I mean, my rule seems to make sense. Like, it seems to always work
Okay.
here.
I think the one going back 1 and going back 4 rule works. It makes a little more sense because you can actually see the sides that are joining together to make the longer side.
Interesting. Okay, so there's 2 different rules that describe this pattern.
Yeah.
So you can either do you know how to describe the Fibonacci pattern using rules like that?
You add
Well, I mean,
the previous 2 numbers together.
Okay. So the Fibonacci rule in our language would be go back 1 plus go back 2.
Yeah.
This one is either go back 2 plus go back 3 or go back 1 plus go back
5.
5. Okay. Do you have anything else you want to say about this? And then after this, we're going to go take a look at the sequence of numbers on the computer.
Okay.
Anything else you want to say about the shape?
Not really.
Okay, so you noticed it was a spiral, and we noticed 2 different patterns. So that's
Yeah.
pretty cool. All right, let's go take a look at the numbers now.